Sam the Cooking Guy made an insanely delicious veggie burger that won't have you missing meat. Let's see how accurate that is. Now the vegetarian burger by Sam the Cooking Guy uses an egg. I made this completely vegan by using an egg replacement. It's very important that you dry roast or dry saute these peppers, mushroom and onion and black beans to remove as much of the liquid that is naturally occurring. I had to adapt the recipe by Sam the Cooking Guy because I found that when I was trying to make the burger patty, it just wasn't working. It kept falling apart. So I actually added some breadcrumbs and I added some flour. The thing I like about this burger is that there was attention to creating a crunchiness to the outside of the burger, and so by putting it in the flour, the egg, and the breadcrumbs, it allowed it to, when it cooked, it add that crispiness. So I really liked that. The flavor of the burger itself was pretty good. It still was pretty soft on the inside. Overall, I would eat this again. I would make it again. I think that there's still some work that could be done with the burger. So would this burger prevent anyone from missing meat? I don't know. I think the burger works for a vegetarian, and with my modifications, you can eat it being vegan. And so to me, that's important, and it's a good burger. How to make the best vegan burger by Rachel from Tasty. Let's make this and see if it really is the best vegan burger. This burger starts out pretty simple by throwing some walnuts and some mushroom in the food processor, and then throwing it over a skillet, a dry skillet, in order to remove as much of that liquid as possible. It's really similar to almost cooking off ground beef and using that in the process of making your burger patties. So as you can see, that this is pretty simple. It's a little bit of back and forth between adding some ingredients to the food processor, blending it together and cooking it off and really infusing those flavors, like with the garlic and the onion, and then adding in the tomato, throwing it in the food processor. The call out that I would say though is that I used a little bit more vital wheat gluten than what Rachel used in this video. The amount of vital wheat gluten, it just it didn't really hold the burger together quite as well. As a quick side note, also I added these burgers to the freezer just to bring the temperature down pretty quickly and make it a little bit colder, and that helped them stay together a bit better as well. So how to make the best vegan burger by Rachel. You know, I don't know if she made the best vegan burger. However, I would say that through my experience so far in trying out these burgers, this probably is the best vegan burger so far. I just feel there's still some room for improvement. I think that a little bit more vital wheat gluten would have helped out a little bit, as this burger was very soft and very fragile. So when it came to actually eating the burger itself, you really kind of had to hold it delicately. And if you did do that, then it wouldn't fall apart on you when you're eating it. I liked that the ingredients that she used together, because they brought a little bit of earthiness and they brought a little bit of chewiness and kind of crunchiness that you get from having ground beef in your burgers. So like the walnuts worked out well. The other ingredients added in brought out some really nice flavors, and so I would say that I would absolutely make this burger again. I enjoyed it, and you know, this is something that I would use again. I would even use it in some other future videos. However, I think I have the perfect recipe in place where I can show you all the better version of a vegan burger. So come back and join me on my next video.